Hello and greetings to everyone. We are to simplify the following. First thing, we are going to start by writing down the laws of indices. Laws which we are going to make use of. Let's write them by the side. The first one, take a raised to the power n times a raised to the power m is simply equal to a raised to the power n plus m. We add their powers. The next, a raised to the power n divided by a raised to the power m is simply equal to a raised to the power n minus m. We subtract the powers. We go to the next. We have a raised to the power n all is raised to the power m. It is simply equal to a raised to the power n times m. Now let's take solution. For the first one, question A, we have x raised to the power 4 times x raised to the power 7. This will simply be equal to, we are going to make use of the first law. This will simply be, you can see they have the same base, which is x. We write down the base, then we add their powers, 4 plus 7. And this will simply be equal to x raised to the power 4 plus 7 gives us 11. This is the answer for the first one. We go to B. For B, we have 5y squared times 3y raised to the power 5. This will simply be equal to, first we are going to multiply 5 by 3, multiply the coefficients. 5 times 3 gives us 15, we write down 15. Next we have to multiply y squared by y to the power 5. We are going to make use of the first law. We are simply going to write the base, which is y, then we add the powers, 2 plus 5. And this will simply be equal to 15y raised to the power 7. This is the result. We go now to C. For C, we have 1 all over a cube times 1 all over a raised to the power 8. For us to answer this, we have two fractions and we are multiplying them. We are going to multiply their numerators. 1 times 1 all over a cube times a to the power 8. This will simply be equal to 1 times 1 remains 1 all over a raised to the power 3 plus 8. And this will simply be equal to 1 all over a raised to the power 3 plus 8 gives us 11. This is the answer. For D, we have a raised to the power negative 3 times a raised to the power 7. This will simply be equal to, we are going to maintain the common base since we are multiplying, then we add the powers, negative 3 plus 7. This will simply be equal to a raised to the power negative 3 plus 7 is simply the same as 7 minus 3, which is 4. So this will give us a to the power 4. We go now to question E. For question E, we have 6x cubed divided by 2x to the power negative 2. First, we can start by expressing it in this form. 6x cubed all over 2x to the power negative 2. This will simply be equal to 6 divided by 2 gives us 3. We are going to write down 3. We have to divide x to the power 3 by x to the power negative 2. We are going to maintain the base x. Then we subtract the powers, 3 minus negative 2. This will simply be equal to 3x raised to the power 3 minus negative 2. We know when we have two negative signs is positive. It is simply the same as 3 plus 2, which gives us 5. We go now to question F. For question F, we have 2x all this raised to the power 4 times 3x all this squared. This will simply be equal to, first we are going to make use of, we take a times b, all this raised to the power n is simply the same as a raised to the power n times b raised to the power n. We are going to apply it here. This will give us 2 raised to the power 4 times x raised to the power 4 times 3 squared times x squared as such. This will simply be equal to 2 raised to the power 4 gives us 16. We have 16 x to the power 4 times 3 squared gives us 9 times x squared. This will simply be equal to, we are going to multiply their coefficients first. 16 times 9 gives us 144 times x to the power 4 times x squared gives us x to the power 4 plus 2. We are adding their powers, and this will simply be equal to 144 x raised to the power 4 plus 2, which is 6. We are done with the solution of the exercises. If in case you have any questions, feel free to leave your questions at the comment section. Please do like the video, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much for watching.